Each raindrop is a tiny miracle. Imagine the journey, the clouds gathering, the gentle descent. This pure water, a gift from the sky, holds incredible potential. Harnessing this natural resource brings joy, sustainability, and a sense of harmony to our homes. Let's explore the magic of rainwater harvesting. Imagine collecting this precious resource right from your rooftop. Rainwater harvesting, a simple yet profound practice, allows us to do just that. It's about reconnecting with nature, respecting its cycles, and embracing a more sustainable way of life. Together, let's unlock the potential of rainwater and create a brighter future. Our roofs, often overlooked, can be transformed into valuable sources of water. Imagine your roof as a catchment area, collecting rainwater and channeling it for various uses. This is the essence of rainwater harvesting, a sustainable practice that reduces our reliance on municipal water systems and conserves this precious resource. By collecting rainwater, we reduce the strain on rivers and aquifers, preserving them for future generations. It's about understanding the interconnectedness of our actions and choosing practices that promote balance and sustainability. Let's explore how we can transform our roofs into urban oases, harvesting water and nurturing life. The first step in our rainwater harvesting journey is capturing the raindrops as they fall. Rainwater harvesting is an ancient practice that has been modernized to suit our urban environments. By collecting rainwater, we can reduce our dependence on municipal water supplies and contribute to a more sustainable future. This is where our trusty gutters come into play. Gutters are essential for directing rainwater from the roof to your storage system, preventing water damage to your home and ensuring efficient collection. Opt for high-capacity gutters that can handle heavy rainfall without overflowing. These gutters are designed to manage large volumes of water, making them perfect for areas with heavy rainfall. They help prevent water from spilling over the sides, which can cause erosion and damage to your property. Seamless gutters are ideal, minimizing the risk of leaks and maximizing water collection. Unlike traditional gutters, seamless gutters are custom-made to fit your home, reducing the chances of leaks and blockages. They are also more aesthetically pleasing and require less maintenance. To ensure the water collected is clean and free from debris, install a first flush diverter. This device is crucial for maintaining the quality of your harvested rainwater. This clever device diverts the initial flow of rainwater, which often carries dust and dirt, away from your storage tank. The first flush diverter ensures that the cleaner water is directed into your storage system, making it safer for various uses. By implementing these simple yet effective measures, we can ensure that the water we collect is of the highest quality. High-capacity gutters and first flush diverters are just the beginning. With a well-designed rainwater harvesting system, you can make a significant impact on water conservation and sustainability. Every drop counts, and with the right setup, you can make the most of every rainfall. Once we've captured the rainwater, it's essential to filter it before use. This crucial step removes any remaining impurities, making the water safe for various applications. A simple yet effective filtration system typically involves a pre-filter to remove larger debris, followed by a fine mesh filter to trap smaller particles. For those seeking an extra layer of purification, consider incorporating a charcoal filter. Charcoal acts like a magnet, attracting and trapping impurities, leaving you with crystal clear rainwater. Remember, clean water sparks joy. Storing the bounty, choosing the right water tank. The right water tank can make all the difference in how efficiently you can store and use rainwater. Now that we have a steady flow of filtered rainwater, it's time to choose a storage solution that fits our needs and brings us joy. The right tank not only stores water, but also complements your living space. Rainwater tanks come in various sizes and materials, each with its own advantages. From plastic to metal and even concrete, the material you choose can affect the durability and maintenance of your tank. Consider factors such as your household's water usage, available space, and aesthetic preferences. A larger household will need a bigger tank, while a smaller one can get by with a more compact option. For smaller spaces, slimline tanks offer a space-saving solution without compromising on storage capacity. These tanks are designed to fit into narrow spaces, making them ideal for urban homes. If you prefer a discrete option, underground tanks blend seamlessly into your landscape. These tanks are buried out of sight, preserving the aesthetics of your garden or yard while providing ample storage. And for those seeking a touch of elegance, decorative tanks can enhance your outdoor space while providing valuable water storage. These tanks come in various designs and colors, allowing you to choose one that matches your garden decor. Installation is another crucial aspect to consider. Professional installation ensures that your tank is set up correctly and functions efficiently. Whether you choose an above-ground or underground tank, proper installation is key to maximizing its benefits. Maintenance is also important. Regular cleaning and upkeep will ensure the longevity of your tank and the quality of the stored water. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. By choosing the right water tank, you not only make a sustainable choice, but also enhance your living environment. A well-chosen tank can provide you with clean, usable water for years to come, making your home more eco-friendly and self-sufficient. From tank to tap, distributing your harvested rainwater. This process is not only practical, but also deeply rewarding, as it allows us to utilize a precious natural resource efficiently. With our rainwater safely stored, it's time to connect our system and start enjoying the fruits of our labor. Setting up the distribution system might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it becomes a straightforward task. A simple pump system can draw water from the tank and distribute it to various points in your home, such as your garden, washing machine, or toilets. This pump ensures that the water pressure is adequate for all your household needs, making the system versatile and efficient. Imagine the satisfaction of watering your plants with water collected from your own roof. This not only saves on your water bill, but also provides your plants with naturally soft water, free from the chemicals often found in tap water, or washing your clothes with nature's gentle touch. Rainwater is naturally soft, which means it can be gentler on your clothes, reducing wear and tear and extending their lifespan. This is the beauty of rainwater harvesting. It connects us to the natural world and empowers us to make sustainable choices in our daily lives. By using harvested rainwater, we reduce our dependence on municipal water supplies, lower our environmental footprint, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Every drop we collect and use is a step towards a greener, more self-sufficient lifestyle. Maintaining your system's simple steps for long-term efficiency. Like any well-loved possession, our rainwater harvesting system thrives on a little care and attention. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and prolongs the life of your system, bringing lasting joy. Start by keeping your gutters free of leaves and debris to prevent blockages. Regularly inspect and clean your filters to maintain optimal water flow and quality. Check the pump periodically for any signs of wear and tear and address any issues promptly. These simple steps will keep your system running smoothly, providing you with a reliable source of harvested rainwater for years to come. Beyond the basics, creative uses for rainwater in your home. Now that we've established a basic rainwater harvesting system, let's explore some creative and fulfilling ways to utilize this precious resource. Rainwater, naturally soft and free of harsh chemicals, is ideal for a variety of household tasks. Imagine the joy of using rainwater to wash your car, leaving it sparkling clean without water spots. Or picture yourself flushing your toilet with rainwater, knowing that you're conserving precious potable water. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. The ripple effect, transforming urban living with rainwater harvesting. Imagine a city where rooftops transform into miniature watersheds, collecting and utilizing rainwater to create a more sustainable and resilient urban environment. This is the transformative power of rainwater harvesting. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live in urban spaces. By embracing rainwater harvesting, we reduce our reliance on centralized water systems, lessen the strain on our infrastructure, and create a more self-sufficient way of life. It's about fostering a sense of community and responsibility, recognizing that our actions have a ripple effect on the world around us. It starts with you, embracing a sustainable future. The journey towards a more sustainable future begins with small, mindful steps. Rainwater harvesting, once a niche practice, is gaining momentum as more people recognize its value and embrace its simplicity. It's a powerful way to connect with nature, conserve resources, and create a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Every drop of rainwater we collect is a step towards a brighter future. It's about making conscious choices that honor our planet and inspire others to do the same. Together, let's spark a movement, one raindrop at a time. Let's spark joy. Join the rainwater harvesting revolution. Rainwater harvesting isn't just about practicality. It's about embracing a mindset of abundance and gratitude for the gifts that nature provides. It's about finding joy in the simple act of collecting rainwater, knowing that we're making a difference. Let's inspire each other, share our experiences, and spread the word about the transformative power of rainwater harvesting. Together, let's create a world where rainwater is cherished, conserved, and celebrated as the precious resource it truly is. Let's spark joy, one raindrop at a time.